Well, if when I study in 8th semester in diploma engineering, we are going to Bogura is located my friend's village. I our also our full department with go the Bogura, where explore the Bogura cities, where explore Moistangor, where explore the lots of new things, and where we are having very good enjoying these trips. Hello, do you understand? Hello, hello, ChatGPT. Can you understand my language? What I am say? What I am speaking? What is the answer? Hello, ChatGPT. What's going on? Hello, hello. I think you're lost. No problem. I will back another way. Okay, ChatGPT. Let's try. Let's try. Not try. Let's try. Okay. I'm gonna speak slowly because my pronunciation is uh, correct. When I speak fast, then my pronunciation is shaky shaky. So that's why I am speaking slowly. Hey ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you? How
Yeah,
has your day been?
yeah, I'm good. So let's talk about relationship.
Sure. Relationships are an interesting topic. What aspect of relationships would you like to discuss? Are you thinking about friendships, family, or romantic relationships?
When I'm not a married person, so that's why I'm interesting to
That
discuss a romantic
got
relationship.
it. As a single person, sure. In romantic relationships, what qualities do you think are most important for a strong and healthy partnership?
Well, my partner is very loyal, and also they speak clearly. And what do you think? What is the best part of the partner?
Those are great qualities. I think the best part of a partner is someone who is supportive and understanding. They encourage you to be your best self and are there for you through the ups and downs. What do you think?
Yeah, I think this is the most valuable thing, and also this is the most important thing.
Absolutely. Trust and honesty are essential in any relationship. When both partners are open and truthful, it builds a strong foundation for a lasting connection. Do you find it easy to be open and honest in your relationships?
No, still a single guy, so I can't. I am not any relationship. now basically I prepare for Russian embassy. Uh, Sorry, I prepare for my higher study because I'm completed my diploma this year. Then I will decided to I'm going to study in abroad in Russia. But my English speaking, my English skills, my reading skills, and also my
That sounds interesting. Are you
I'm very weak in English. So I am trying to improve my English. So could you ask me some questions and I'm answer the question.
That's exciting.
Okay, ask me some questions.
It's got it. Let's practice your English skills. Here's a question. Why did you choose Russia for your higher studies? Tell me a bit about what interests you about studying there.
Well, Russia is a well-known country. They are providing lots of facilities for every international student, especially in electro.
Sure. Why did you
Wait,
choose Russia for your higher studies? Tell me about what interests you about studying there.
well, especially Russian government providing a lots of opportunity, and Russians universities providing lots of opportunity for especially engineering student, and also they are providing lots of facilities as like some research facilities, some good campus experience, uh, some of the type lots of opportunity
That's a
for
good reason.
engineering. What do you think?
That's great. It sounds like you're interested in studying electronics in Russia. They do have a good reputation in.
Let's continue.
Engineering students in Russia.
Hello,
It
Cherji.
sounds like you're really excited about the prospects. Engineering is a field with a lot of opportunities, and studying in a place with strong facilities and support can give. All right. What specific area of engineering are you most interested in? Is there a particular field within electronics that you want to focus on?
Yeah, basically, electronics is a mother of technology because um, uh, especially electronics is semiconductor device related subject. The semiconductor most
That's a fascinating field. Studying electronics engineering can lead to many exciting career paths, especially with technology advancing so rapidly. What kind of projects or areas within electronics engineering are you most interested in?
wait, I'm gonna talk you some serious questions. Can you hear me? Here, listen very carefully. Okay, but cancel. Uh, this session is be completed, but I'm very interesting for that. This is the book, some of the key word. I'm gonna read this book and let me know how I improve my reading skills. Okay, then let's start. Okay, this is the first page. Peter and Jane have a rich uncle who has come to live near them. The rich uncle has two boys who who are rich, who are the cousins. Sorry, I am extremely sorry. Let's read first first page. Okay. Peter and Jane have a rich uncle who say come to live near them. The rich uncle has two boys who are their cousins. The cousins are lots older than Peter and Jane, but they are they are all very good friends together. The uncle has just a baguette in East Iceland, not far away, and the brother is and the brother and the brother and sister are going to see it. They have a letter for their cousins about Iceland. Jane say, I am great. They live near us now, and that the Iceland is near. Uh, it it must be nice to be so rich that uh, you can buy the Iceland. Sounds like a very good. Okay, move on to our next part. I'm I'm good. I'm glad our cousins are are older than we are, said Peter. We can be with them when they do interesting things. When can we go to see the Iceland? Asked Jane. There read a letter over again to find out. They say next week. She say it is not long to wait. 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 Okay. It is too long for me. Say her brother. I just can't want to get there. Want want it be fun. Want it want it be fun when we explore the Iceland. I want to make a I want to make a champ champ called champion. Okay. Uh, thereafter we have had good luck round. Okay, then move on our next page. This is the next page. As you can see, I'm gonna read this part. Okay. At last the day has come for Peter and Jane to go to their uncle's Iceland for the first time. Their father has a bucket, bucket them to the pier by the car and one for their cousins. The children go to look at the boat. Some some are in the right, some are the right, and others are the sand. There are little there are little boats, big ones uh, the uh, very long one. Large, long one. Men men are at work on some of the board. board. One one man is the one man is at the water eddy, pulling his boat out of the sea on on the sand. Another man has another man has drowned a letter boat over to little boat over to paint it. Peter and Jane go over to watch him. Peter goes to near the wet painter, and get some on his clothes. The man shows him how to get it off. Jane helps Peter and then say there the pain has gone. You can't see are you sorry, you can't see any of it now. Keep away from the wet print. Okay, they go down to the right headache. Water's headache to look out to sand. You can just see the Iceland from here, said Jane. It won't be long now before we are there. The two boys will be here soon. Okay, move on to our next part. This is the next part. As you can see, I'm gonna read this book. Okay, as the children come back from the water, they see there the two cousins get out of the small car. It uh, it is their mother's car, and she let them drive it because they both drive very well. The names of the two big boys are John and Simon. Peter and Jane, their Peter and Jane and their father are happy to see them again. They are they are they'll all take to get her for will and will and then father drive home and say himself he knows that John and Simon will look after Peter and Jane and let not let them get intro 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 Dengar. What is this? Danger. Danger. Oh, I am extremely sorry. As you can see, the word is danger, but I pronounce that dangar. Is very, what is this? Is very ancient for me, but I'm practice and I'm I'm improving myself day by day, as you can see. Okay, John and Simon pull the small boat down to their water. Okay, wait for me few minutes. I'm cannot pronouncing this word, so I'm translate to Google English. Okay, this is the very uh, very good things to uh, water waters.
Water's edge.
Water age.
Water's edge.
Water's age. Age.
Water's edge.
Age.
Water's edge.
Age. Okay. Water age. Water's age. And tell Jane and Peter to get in intro it. Intro it. There then 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 the two big boys push the boat to in intro their water and clamp intro the intro the water and clamp. Okay, C L I V.
Climb.
Climb. Climb. Climb in. uh, okay, then I will read again. As the children come back from the water, they see There. Thier. Okay.
Fear.
There.
Fear.
As the children come back from the water, they see their two cousins get out of the small car. It is their mother's car, and she let them drive it because they both drive very well. The names of the two big brother are John, and Simon. Peter and Jane and their father are happy to see them again. They all take to get her for a will. WHIL will.
Will.
Well.
While.
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 To get for a well, and the father drive home by himself. He knows that John and Simon will look after Peter and Jane, and not little them get into into danger. Uh, John and Simon pull pull a John John and Simon pull a small boat down to the water edge water's edge water edge, and tell John and Peter to get into it. Then the two big brother two big brother push the boat into the water and climb, climb in. John John rose and smiled. Rose. ROWS. Rose.
Rose.
Jane rose at simple small board, and as her rose him brother Simon takes a Peter and Jane. He say he say we are going to row out to our uh, motherboard. Uh, it it is it is not a very large board. Large. 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 Large.
Large.
It's not a very large boat, but I, I will take, I will us to take us to their Iceland. Jane say, is isn't it fun? Isn't it fun? Do you do we do we take the later boat with us? Do you
Large.
do do you take 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 you take us to take us to take us to the Iceland. Island.
Do you take us to the island? Do you take us to the island?
Okay, do you take used to the okay, do you do you take do you take the